Hello, this is the MSI GeForce GTX 1070 Gaming X graphics card by Nvidia. They just come out on the Alex.
They have.
Brand new.
Very recently.
Very recent, very new. Pascal architecture, 16nm fabrication, fastest clock speeds by GPUs to date. They absolutely slay the 9 series. I mean, these cards are beating Titan X's in benchmarks. Not overclocked Titan X's, but
No.
I know it's a reference card. And this is the MSI boxed, overclocked 1797 megahertz boost clock.
And how much can you get these for?
And this is on sale at a number of places for around the £420, £430 mark.
Not bad at all.
Pre-ordered from Overclockers, and it has arrived today. And so, without further ado,
Let's open it up.
let's crack the box open. So, as you can see here, 8GB of GDDR5. Now this isn't the GDDR5X that the 1080 has, so it's a slightly lower memory bandwidth, but 8GB is going to be more than enough for a lot of people. The VR ready banding, which I don't really care about, and it's MSI's Twin Frozer 6. 0 decibel fans, you know, they don't spin when it's not under load.
Yeah, that's right.
Well done, MSI. Bought MSI because why not? It's red and black, which
Looks good.
They were voted the coolest colours in the world, probably. So, what have we got here? Let's get this open. Play hard, stay silent. Twin Frozer 6. Aggressive branding from MSI. Slide this out now. I haven't practiced this beforehand, so it's upside down. A bit more MSI branding. Just lift that off the top. What's in here? I don't think anybody cares. We've got
A creased manual.
a very creased manual, some stickers, CD, that, don't care. Right, what's in the box? What's in the box? Thank you for choosing an MSI product. And here it is, it's quite heavy, all metal backplate, very nice looking card. It's considerably heavier than my old GTX 960. Let's just very carefully remove it from the bag. And there we have an MSI GTX 1070 in all its glory.
Very nice. If you're upgrading from a 970 to a 1070, you'll be happy to know that there is a backplate, which the 970 didn't have.
Why do we care about the backplate?
Makes it a bit more solid in the case.
That is true. I didn't think of it like that.
Not as flimsy.
The 960 was very flimsy. You can see there. If it'll autofocus, which it probably won't. I don't really care. So we've got, I think, one HDMI 2.0B. Just making this up. I'm a bit high on the camera. And 3 display ports, which I think are 1.4 ready, which I don't care about.
No.
Because a lot of that is for FreeSync anyway, and who uses FreeSync anyway? So there you have it.
Very nice looking card.
Fantastic graphics card. There you go.
And this video is coming to a conclusion because
We're running out of things to say.
and Reese wants to use it in his computer.
Very much so. Where's my 960? It really did. Okay. This is a 960 side by side comparison. Actually very similar in size. No solid metal backplate, so it's flimsy. This is the 2GB version because I'm an idiot. So that's what I'm replacing. If anyone wants to buy that, let me know. I don't want it anymore. Alright.
Hopefully soon we'll be unboxing the 1080.
Yeah.
With
If
some
the
luck.
pre-order ever arrives.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching.
Be sure to check out our other videos.
And have a nice day.